Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. If we do first derivative of this one, we have cosine and we keep about this one in here. Later that we do first derivative of this one. This is about the chain rule of derivative. So if we do first derivative of this one, we will have 1 over 2 with the square root of s to the power of 3 plus 1. And then we continue do first derivative of s plus s to the power of 3 plus 1. First derivative of s to the power of 3, we have 3s squared. This one that is about the constant, so you got about 0. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.